Cervicogenic headache is a very easy condition to understand. So cervico means neck, and we've got 7 bones in our neck. We've got muscles, we've got fascia, we've got nerves, arteries, veins, lymph. And so cervicogenic headache is where we have a headache, pain in our head, that's caused by some condition, some abnormality in the neck. Many times it's because joints don't move correctly and refer pain into the head. Sometimes it's muscles that have trigger points that refer pain into the head from the neck. And even you can have nerves in the upper part of the neck, the greater and lesser occipital nerves, that can get compressed due to really tight muscles and cause pain into the head. So that is cervicogenic headache.